Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Charge the iPhone X and join a stable Wi-Fi network so downloads complete reliably. Once done, open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone. You need an email address ready to use as your Apple ID. If you prefer, choose Create New Apple ID and follow prompts for birthday and country. This matters for App Store availability. Make sure location and date/time are. Now you enter your name, the email you'll use as the Apple ID, and a strong password. Apple requires at least 8 characters with a number and capital letter. After you tap Next, Apple sends a verification code to that email. Open it and type the code into the iPhone X. Make sure to add a trusted phone number and enable 2-factor authentication for account recovery. This step prevents lockouts and protects purchases and iCloud backups. Finish by signing into iCloud, iTunes, and the App Store with your new Apple ID. Choose which iCloud services to sync, such as contacts and photos. Add a payment method if you plan to buy apps, or choose none to skip payments for now. If something goes wrong, no verification email or code. Make sure the iPhone has internet, check spam, and if needed, reset network settings or request a new code. That usually resolves verification delays and completes your setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.